The Society of Thoracic Surgeons is the largest cardiothoracic surgery organization in the world. Surgeons, researchers, and health professionals have come together in California to collaborate on how to improve the lives of patients with cardiothoracic diseases. This is the 61st STS annual meeting, and you are watching STS TV. Welcome to STS TV. I'm Melissa McCarty, your host. We will be highlighting never-before-seen science at the forefront of the CT field. And we'll turn to the many ways STS is helping you support career and education. We are taking the spotlight on science one step further. Enjoy the show.
Cardiothoracic surgery is an incredibly stressful profession. And to get through the training, to get through the challenges of a career in cardiothoracic surgery, you have to have resilience.
Our first female president of STS, Dr. Jennifer Romano, and program chair, Dr. Stephanie Fuller.
We have 5 hands-on courses this year, 3 that are relevant to aortic practice, 1 that's going to be a mitral repair, and the last which is tracheal reconstruction.
We dive deep into the key 2025 initiatives the Society is providing for you.
The STS has generated a number of risk calculators, primarily for cardiac surgeons, that have been incredibly helpful at defining the risk regarding certain procedures.
This year's extraordinary Women in CT Surgery Awards Breakfast.
I just want to encourage them to love what they want to do, because cardiac surgery, my specialty, is a very not only interesting but really wonderful field to pursue to make everyone's life happier.
And our inspiring Vivian Thomas lecturer, Amy Vitale, takes us around the world.
All of the stories that I've illustrated were really talking about the same issues, which is progress and innovation comes from a diversity of thought.
You can still find all of the STS TV episodes and individual segments on our YouTube page and social media channels. Just search STS TV 2025. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again for next year's annual meeting. Until then, travel safe, everyone.